Wala pa, narito ako.
Wait lang. Wait lang po, wait lang.
Okay, okay.
You can visit the official Facebook page of Senator Bongo. Just look for Bongo with blue check having 1.6 million followers. And of course, do not forget to hit the like button and share. Again, congratulations, Barangay Bahan. Daghang salamat, no? Malasakit, Mr. Malasakit. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Bongo, for this very beneficial public work. Again, sa katuwa, dunay higayon, pagka-picture sa itong mga bisita. You can check your pictures, mga kaibigan. You can check your photos. Just visit the official Facebook page of Senator Bongo. Look for Bongo with the blue check. You look for the Bongo with the blue check having 1.6 million followers. And again, when you're there, kung naano mo sa Facebook page, sa official Facebook page, don't forget to hit the like button and of course, don't forget to share. Mas mula akong maisyon, kinig ka report sama sila kung dito projects na baguhan pa lamang nasaksihan at formal turnover, lakit kini sa pitila, no? Sa mga magandang proyekto na isuportahan ni Senator Bongo. Busa